We are giving away 5 AUKEY keyboards worth $39 each. Enter using the link in the video description.
Klim Lightning is the first hybrid keyboard from Klim Technologies. Sometimes it's hard to choose between a membrane keyboard, such as the Klim Chroma, or a mechanical one, like the Klim Domination. Now, you can finally experience the responsiveness of a mechanical keyboard while enjoying the quietness and the keystroke lightness of a membrane keyboard. Discover the Klim Lightning, fitted with hybrid mechanical membrane keys. Similar to a mechanical keyboard, this keyboard will give you accurate feedback when you press a key, which allows you to move on to the next one much faster. After a week or two, you'll notice a speed gain of 10 to 15%. Just imagine the time saved over multiple years. Klim Lightning offers accurate, enjoyable, and fast keystrokes. Your typing will acquire an incredible smoothness thanks to this keyboard. In addition, it's almost as quiet as a membrane keyboard. Just experience the difference with a mechanical keyboard. If you don't want the loud sound feedback of a mechanical keyboard but still require its performance level, Klim Lightning is the perfect compromise. Klim Lightning also embeds backlight features, which can be customized directly on the keyboard. You don't even need a driver. It's very easy. Just plug it and choose amongst the 7 available colors by pushing the key designed for that purpose. You can also enable the breathing mode in order to switch smoothly from one color to another automatically. This keyboard is also fitted with a smartphone stand. You can glance at your notifications while you play. Klim Lightning doesn't shy away from the best mechanical keyboards on the market in terms of performance.
Introducing das Keyboard 4. the leader in mechanical keyboards for people who expect the best. DAS Keyboard 4 feels unlike anything you've used before. Its end key rollover affords precision, while its tactile feedback helps you type both faster and more accurately. Built to include revolutionary new features, such as the latest USB 3 connection ports, oversized volume knob, and dedicated media controls, all designed to deliver an experience unlike any other. Every corner contains hours of dedication, work, and thought, as well as a few surprises. DAS Keyboard 4 is the next generation of our award-winning DAS keyboard line.